Hey, I remember when COVID hit the streets, boy. Niggas ain't know what to do.
Yeah,
Yo, stop touching niggas with your hands,
yeah,
yo.
we was doing that, or we was doing like, hey, all right,
Nah,
bro.
man, I was with niggas and we was in the store, man. And niggas was sneezing. Yo, man, what the fuck is you doing? I'm like, bro.
You sneeze, it's like
sneezing. What the fuck you doing, bro? I know it's a natural body function, but
You
fuck
remember
that.
that doctor that was on TV that had to sneeze,
bro.
Did y'all see that doctor that was on TV that had to sneeze? That white doctor, they were talking about COVID. He was like,
Nah, I didn't see that.
he tried to sneeze. He was like, he was
suppressed.
That's
he
crazy.
he kept running to the
Oh my
side till that
God.
shit went away.
Yo, that's crazy.
I ain't see that,
That's
but
nasty.
I need to see that.
With COVID, people scared to cough and sneeze, bro.